Industrial IoT is defining the factory of the future. Together, Telit and Lenovo are accelerating IoT adoption through an innovative all-in-one OT integrated appliance solution. The plug-and-play solution runs on multiple OS platforms and deployment options, integrates hundreds of devices and enterprise applications, and fits your IoT needs. Powered by Lenovo's robust, reliable Lenovo ThinkEdge PCs with innovative software, the Telit deviceWISE platform empowers manufacturers with real-time decision-making for any machine on the factory floor. The platform also allows OEMs to remotely access their machines. With the Telit IoT platform powered by Lenovo, you have all the functionality you need, a high-speed, low-latency connection to all your equipment, edge logic and processing in a no-code environment to create applications in hours, not weeks, all combined into an easy-to-use, all-in-one system, pre-validated and ready to deploy. Build a high-performance manufacturing business with a winning team. For more information, contact crosswave at lenovo.com.